Smashy, 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 smash everything I see. Smashy, 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 come and learn with me. We're smashing fruits and veggies, come and take a look. We're cracking them open like how you would a book. Learning is fun, so come along today. With Smashy, 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 we'll learn and we'll play. Hey there, Smashy Squad. Look what I have today. It's a super special cucumber! Wow! Look at that. What is a cucumber? Well, your old pal Smashy here has 3 fun facts about this here cucumber. Are you ready? Fact number 1. A cucumber is made up of 95% water. Wow, that means when I smash it, it's like I'm smashing open a water balloon. That is so cool. Fact number 2. If you take a slice of cucumber and rub it on a foggy mirror, it'll make the fog disappear. Isn't that so cool? And it's all because of its natural compounds. And fact number 3. If you cut or smash a cucumber open, it releases a fresh, cool scent. That's because cucumbers have a natural compound that make them smell clean and crisp. Woo! Smashy approved. Now,
that's nice.
Before we smash this cucumber open, we need to put on our safety gear so we can be safe. I'll be right back. Hey there, Smashy Squad. Now that I have on my safety gear, can we go over it? All right. So I have on my safety helmet.
Wow!
My safety goggles.
Perfect!
My safety apron. Am I forgetting something? Oh yeah, my safety gloves, so we can be safe. Now, Mr. Cucumber, let's find out together. Do you know what shape this is, Smashy Squad? That's right, it's a cylinder.
Woohoo!
Do you know what color it is? Good job! Green! Now I wonder what color's inside. Well, let's find out together. All right. Now, Smashy Squad, before we smash this cucumber open and find out what's inside, can you spell cucumber with me? Thank you! On the count of 3, we're gonna spell it together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. C, U, C, U, N, B, E, R, cucumber. All right, Mr. Cucumber, we're ready to find out what you look like inside. On the count of 3, Smashy Squad, we're gonna smash it open. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, smash! Oh my goodness. Wow. The outside is green and the inside is white? I also see a little green too. Wow, these are small seeds that blossom and turn into a cucumber that we can love and enjoy in life. All right, Smashy Squad, thanks for tuning in. I hope you watch my next video, because that one's gonna be smash-tastic.